Good day, everyone. So, here in this playlist, we are going to see the intraday trading and what is intraday trading and other strategies and how to do the intraday trading and everything we can see it in this session. So, before I just go, I just give a quick introduction on who I am. So, I'm not a SEBI registered trader. I'm explaining all the concepts based on my experience, so you should always do the back testing and just gain some experience and don't rely only completely on my teaching. Just test it out. If it works, you can take it. So this is a disclaimer I just want to tell before I just start the video. Okay. So, what are all the things you can see from this playlist? The first one is what is intraday trading. So, means like I'm going to explain what is intraday trading and how I know how you can do that, and how it differs from the normal trading and the investing. So, those things we can cover it in the intraday trading. And the next one is on the prerequisites. Prerequisites, what are all the prerequisites needed? So, for to do the intraday trading. And the third video is be a like trading mindset, how you need to keep your mindset and how a trader's mindset should be, and what are all the do's and don'ts we need to do. And based on my experience, I will share with you. So, and the fourth one will be the money management. How you do the your money management, and how you save your capitals and not losing the money. I will just give you some tips on over here, and finally on the trading strategies. So I will teach you strategies one by one, and I will just give you the rankings based on my experience. So you just do the back testing and apply it and be a happy trader. Thank you.